Hello everyone, welcome to FunTech. Recently, I come across a feature called Zoom in Microsoft PowerPoint. It's a very cool feature. I thought of sharing with you. Let's start. Before doing it practical, let's see how it is working with a small demo. For an example, these are the 6 options I supposed to present. For example, overview, requirement, procedures and all. How it comes. Right? You can see one after one with a very technical it is, very good to see. I have not given any time specification, While explaining, I will tell you all those stuffs. Before doing it practical, if you're a new subscriber, please click red color subscribe button below and don't miss to hit bell icon. Let's start doing it practical. I have opened a sample PowerPoint here. Here I have 4 slides, which is operational result, technique, work procedure. These are like our general creation of a slides. By right clicking, new slide, and whatever we want, we can add it. Similar way, if I want to use the zoom option, there are 3 ways of using this zoom option. Let's start one by one. I am creating a new slide as usual. I don't want these on all, so I'm deleting it, right? Click on that second where I want to have this zoom option available. Go to insert. You can see an option called zoom. There is 3 types of zoom: summary zoom, section zoom, and slide zoom. First, we start with slide zoom. So here it is showing you which are all slides you're supposed to zoom at. So I'm selecting 3, 4, 5, insert. It will be inserted now. Where you want to place, you can place the option according to you. Now we can see how it is. This is the first slide. Now we can see, yeah, operation result is coming up, going back to the other, next the other. So the slide ends. In this, you can even do some formatting for this format zoom. Right click, format slide zoom to get these options. If you want to increase the transparency of that, you can do it. You can even insert in the other image, the same image, like if you want to inform is a winner. So you can put some logo on it. Over that you can paste. You can edit all those options here. It's a very cool, interesting to watch. So this is one more option. Instead of this, let's do one thing. Right click, add section. Give section name as results. Whatever it's based on our requirement. So all these 3 windows means presentation slides are in a zoom. So now we can even delete this, right? Yearly time, we added one after one. Now instead that, I'm creating text 1, new side, text 2. So I can give this section as add section test. Okay, named it. Now in the same zoom option, I can insert slide zoom, which we've seen last time. You can do the section zoom now. Now you can see directly a section here, right? You can insert both here. Instead of selecting all the files, you just go and select only 2 now. Now see how it looks like. It comes to operational result, then it is showing all the slides inside to that. Then now it comes to text. Now text 1, text 2. See, it's actually popping up and zooming and showing your presentation very clearly, which will help us in presenting. Like in this video, I have given some colors, which is not, to be attractive. But you can use such colors which can help you more when you are doing your presentation based on what technology you are using and how it's supposed to be presented. That will be more helpful for you. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe. Don't forget to hit bell icon. Please do like, share this video with your friends. Catch up in next video.